In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach emails to calendar events in Outlook. This is a handy trick for keeping your schedule organized and ensuring that you have all the relevant information at your fingertips when you need it. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Outlook. If you haven't already done so, navigate to the Outlook website or open the Outlook application on your computer. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a sign in button. Give that a click and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Go ahead and log in with your credentials to gain access to your Outlook account. Having access to your email inbox is essential for this process. Once you're logged in, the next step is to head over to your inbox. Here, you'll want to select the specific email that you wish to attach to a calendar event. It could be anything ranging from meeting details, a project update, or any conversation you want to reference back to later on. Simply click on that email to open it, getting a clear view of its content. To proceed, you'll need to copy the email. You can do this by highlighting the email. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard if you're using Windows or the Command key on a Mac, and then press the C key to copy the highlighted portion. This action will save the selected email to your clipboard, ready to be pasted later. Next, direct your attention to the left side of your Outlook window where you'll find the calendar icon. Click on it to switch your view from emails to the calendar interface. Once you're in the calendar section, you'll see an option to create a new event. Click on that to start setting up a new calendar event. In the event details window that appears, you'll find several fields: date, time, location, and description. Move to the description field, which is where you'll be pasting the email content. Click into this field and then paste the email you've copied earlier by pressing Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on a Mac. The contents of your email will now appear in the event description, effectively linking the email information to this calendar event. Finally, after ensuring that all other event details are correct, like the event name, date, and time, look for the Save button. Click this to finalize the creation of your calendar event. This action ensures that you have the email information readily accessible whenever you access your calendar. Congratulations, you've successfully attached an email to a calendar event in Outlook, making it much easier to manage your schedule and keep track of important communications. Feel free to use this technique whenever you need to streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.